Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Let's begin today's class. Students, in previous section we have discussed about introduction to 5-digit, read and write digit number, place value, expanded notation, writing in the standard form, comparing and ordering 5-digit number. I hope you all watched previous video. In today's class, let us review all the concepts in one exercise, that is 1.7. Exercise 1.7. Let's start with first main. Write this number in the standard form. Students, what do you mean by standard form here? Standard form is writing the place value, writing the numbers according to place value. Means inserting the numbers, given numbers in the place value and a position of the number. See first question, what they have given: 12,415. 12,415. After ones period we have to insert a comma. So the standard form of this given numeral form, it is this 12,415. Next question, 70,007. 70,007. In this they are not given 100 value and tens value, so the answer is 70,007. Next, 60,310. 60,310. 60,310. See next, D. 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 5,000 plus 80 plus 7. Which form it is? Expanded form. The numbers are in expanded form and we have to write in standard form. I have mentioned this expanded form is converted into two methods. First, through by addition or through by according to place of position. Addition means 20,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 7. This is the first method. We have to add and go these all numbers. And second method, 20,000. 2 is in which place? 10,000 place. And 4 is in which place? 1,000 place. 5 is in which place? 100 place. 8 is in which place? Tens place. 7 is in which place? Ones place. So the standard form of given expanded problem, it is 24,587. Next, 60,000 plus 300 plus 90. 6 is in which place? 10,000. Is it? And 1,000 they have given? No. So we have to write here 0. Don't exclude it. And 3 is in which place? 100 place. 9 is in which place? Tens place. What about ones? They are not given. Now we have to take here 0. Way to insert a comma here after 60. Okay. Next, another problem they have given: 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 1. In 1 which place it is? 10,000 place. And next one, this one is which place? 1,000 place. Here one 100 place. This one tens place. And once 1. Way to insert comma after 11. I am the small 5-digit number. Which is the smallest digit number? 5-digit smallest number, it is 10,000. Is a 5-digit largest number, smallest 5-digit number. Next, I am the greatest 5-digit number. Which number is greatest in 5-digit? 99,999. 99,999. 99. I am 1 less than 10,000. What the question they given? I am less than 1 less than 10,000. First write 10,000 less than 1. Which number is less than 1 to the 10,000? That is with 0 minus 1 it will not go. Take borrowing. It is 9. 9, 10 minus 1, 9. Again 9. 9, 9. Here 0. So 9,999. Which number is less than 10,000? 1 less than 10,000? 9,999. It's all about first main. Go with second name. Second main. The next main it is write the face value of the circled digit. What you mean by face value, students? Face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself in a number. Yes, it tells exact position of the number as it is. If 5 is in 10,000, 5 will be a 5. And if 8 is in 10,000 place and 8 written as its 8, because face value they are asking. Face value means the digits itself in a number is called what here? Face value. So now you should not consider about place value of while using face value. 5 in 50,000 circle digit we have to find out the face value. Now 5 means here 5. Face value of 57,034 it is 5. Circled digit they asked only. So the face value of 5 will be a 5. And here 8 face value it is 8. Next 7 face value 7. In this number read once 31,846. Which number is encircled here? 4. What is the face value of 4 here? 4. Here 89,756. What is the face value? Which digit is circled here? 6. 6 face value will be a 6. In this 9. Okay. Go with third main. Write the place value of the circle digit. Students, don't get confused in face value and place value. Face value means exact digits itself in the number is called a face value. Place value means position of the number, which position it took in periods. Okay. In the first question you see, we have to now write circled digit place value. First rate question 37,845. The question is 37,845. The circled digit it is 7. And what is the place value or a position of a 7? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 7 place value it is 1000. Then 7 get what here? 7,000. Okay. And here next question 46,784. Which number is encircled here? 4. And which position it has took according to period? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 4 is in which? It's in 10,000. And how are you going to write place value of 4 now here? 40,000. Next question 30,303. 30,303. Which number is encircled? 3. Which place it is now? 3 is in which place? 100. Now how to write 3? 300. Next 10,415. Which number is encircled here? 5. 5 is in which place? Ones. And 5 will be has taken as 5. Means ones place it is. So as it is we have to write now. Next question 83,475. Which number is encircled 7. 7 which place now? Tens place. 70. Okay. 9 which place? 10,000 place. 9 is in 10,000 place. And how are you going to write this? 90,000. Read once this. 99,989. And encircled number it is 9. Which position it has to? 10,000. How are you going to write this 9? 90,000. This is about third main. Next minute is write these numbers in expanded form. Students, here expanded form is what? Expanded form is we have to expand the place value of the given digits. Okay, 3 digit which place now? 10,000 and 1,000. 400 place it is. 2 tens place. 5 ones place. So it is a expanded form. Expanded form is expanding, recognizing the value of the position of the digits. So first question, 3 into 10,000. Why 10,000? Because 3's place value is 10,000 plus 1 in which place? 1,000 place. 1 into 1,000 plus next 4 is in which place? 100 place. 4 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Now we can write this 3 into 10,000 it is 30,000 plus 1,000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 5 is the expanded form of the given number. Telling means expanded form, telling the position of the digits, telling the place value of the digit is known as expanded form. Okay, see third question. 9 is in which place? 10,000. 9 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1,000 plus 4 into 100 plus 0 into 10. We can write also, exclude also, anything. For reference you write 0 into 10 plus 1 into 1. This implies what here? 9 into 10,000 it is 90,000 plus 2,000 plus 400. 0 into 10 it is 0. We can exclude this number. So I will write directly 1's place, that is 1. And this is the expanded form of a given standard form. Okay, this to take as a homework and go with fifth main. Form 10 5-digit number. 5-digit number means tell me the place values: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. We should make 5-digit numbers, means it should end with 10,000 till 10,000, including the greatest and the smallest number. We should 5 number using the digits 7, 4. These are digits because they inserted comma here. 7 digit, 4, 1, 2, 5. By taking this digit we have to make 5-digit number. 5-digit number means 7, 4, 1, 2, 5. Whole this, including this 5-digit, we have to make a number. Okay. Next, circle the greatest number and underline the smallest number. By the help of this digit we have to make 10 5-digits, and in that we have to circle the greatest number and the smallest number. Okay, let's see. 7, 4, 1, 2, 5. By taking these digits, make a 5-digit numbers and in 10 forms. First I will write 7, 5, 4, 2, 1. This is one number. In this type we have to make in 10 forms. 75,421 it became. Next number I will write. I am sending this 7 to the last. Now 5, 4, 2, 1, 7. Okay. Next, this now it became 54,217. This is second form. we can make from this digit. Next, I am sending this 5 to the last. 42175. Next, 4 I am sending last again. 21754. Next, I am sending 2 in the last. 17542. 5 forms I over. Next, another 5 we have to make like this only. Next, what I will do, I reverse this number. Last 2 4 5 7 1. Any type we can do, but I am reverse easy method. I am going reversing and replacing method I am doing here. Any form you can make here. 2 4 5 7. Okay. Next, I am sending 2 again last. It will become 4 5 7 1 2. Next, I am sending 4 to the last. 4 5 7 1 2 4 it will become. Next, 7 1 2 4 5. How many numbers over? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Another one we have to write. I am sending 7 here. I am replacing 7 to the last. That is, it will become now 1 2 4 5 7. And these are the 10 forms with these digits. With the given digits 7 4 1 2 5 I made in 10 forms with the 5 digit numbers. Now we have the second condition what they have given. Circle the greatest number. To be greatest, see, all numbers are in how many digits? 5 digits. 5 digit means the first number will take a 10,000 place, is it? And see students, which is in 10,000 place, the number which is highest, which number is highest in the 10,000 place? Here 7, is it? See, all 5 4 2 1 2 4. So 75,421 will be the greatest number. Next condition, underline the smallest number. Again, you have to compare place value of 10,000. Which digit is lowest in 10,000 place? 1. 2 1 are there. And second place, year 2 it is there, year 7. Which will be become smaller now? This will be become, we have to underline. This is a smaller number, and 75,421 it will be a greater number. And this is the solution for the fifth main. Now next main, insert greater than and less than or equal sign. We have to compare the numbers which are greater, which is less than, and which is equals to. Okay, see first question. 34,862. 34,862 in left side, and right side 64,862 it is there. There are two steps which I told in previous video. That is, we have to compare numbers. There are two steps. First, we have to see digits of left side and right side, and second step it is we have to compare the position of the numbers. Is it? Okay, go with first question by keeping the points in mind. First digit in left side 34,862, and second in the right side it is 64,862 in 10,000 place. These are 5 digit, here also 5 digit. In 10,000 place, in left side it is 3, in right side it is 6. Then which will become greater here? 64,862, and 34,862 will be less. Then which sign here? 34,862 is less than, which sign it is? Less sign. Less than sign is less than 64,862. 2. Next 82,347 and in right side 84,947. In 10,000 place 8 and here also 8. And compare with next position, that is year 2, year 4. Then which number will be greater here? In 1000 place 4 is greater. Therefore 84,947 will be greater than 82,347. So the sign will be less than. 82,347 is less than 84,947. 93,842 in left side. Here 93,513. See here 10,000 place and 1,000 place are same numbers. And go with now 100 place. Here 8 it is there, here 5. Then which number will be greater? 93,842 will be greater. How are you going to read this? 93,842 is greater than 93,513. Next 37,048. 37,048 and 37,048. Left hand side and right hand side are equal. So equal sign. Which sign now here? Equal sign. Here 5 in fifth 54,192. Here 54,129. See 10,000 place, 10,000 place same numbers. In 1,000 place also same numbers. 100 place also same number. And compare with the tens place, year 9, year 2. So which number will be bigger now? 54,192 is greater than 54,129. In this 60,708 in left side. In right side what it is? 60,807. Which is greater than? Which is greater here? 60,807 is greater than 60,708. Now which sign? Less than sign. 60,708 is less than 60,807 or 807. Both are same. We can also read 60,807 or 60,807. Both are same. Next, arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending means what here? Smaller to bigger number. Descending means bigger to smaller number. First question it is 37,182. This is first number. 48,193. It is second number. 23,456. This is third number. First go with ascending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger. See, observe places. All are 5-digit number and they are placing in 10,000 place. Is it? And compare with the first place, which is 10,000. 10,000, which number is small here? Here small number it is 2. Is it? So ascending order 23,456. It will be a first number. Second number will take 37,182. And third number it will take 48,193. This is the order for ascending order. Means smaller to bigger. Now bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller means 10,000 place 4 is highest. So 48,193. Or you can write reverse order. First it will be here. Because we have written smaller to bigger. And opposite of ascending order is descending. Means we have to go with reverse order. 48,193 will become first and 37,182 it will become second number and 23,456 will become third position. Okay, and take this to as a homework. Next, who am I? Who am I? Circle the correct answer. The first question it is, I am 10,000 less than 56,430. The question says that the number is less than 10,000 to the given number. Which is the given number here? 56,430. And what it's saying? It is less than 10,000. So we have to minus or subtract minus 10,000. That is 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 0, 3, 4 minus 0, 4, 6 minus 0, 6, 5 minus 1, 4. Okay, the number is what here? 46,430. See, circle the correct answers. They have given 3 options. Which will be the correct answer now here? 46,430. See, next question. I have 5,000 more than 40,380. They are telling it is the given number is, the number is 5,000 more to the given number. 5,000 is more, means we have to add now. When it is less, we subtracted. When it is more, we have to add to the given number. 40,380 plus 5,000. 5,000 means which place now? 1,000 place. 1,000. The answer will be 45,380 will be the answer. 45,380. And circle in the given option, that will be a second one. And next question it is, I am between 34,079 and 34,081. Select which number is middle for the given numbers. The middle number will be 34,080. See, once I will write after 34,079. After 79, what it will come? 80. 34,081. This will be a middle number to the given numbers. So the answer is option 4. Students, these are the concepts we discussed in first chapter. Here first chapter is completed. I hope you all understood today's class. Practice all the concepts. Thank you.